This wedding mashup was next level. From the epic entrance to the full-on 80s throwback, this mix had everything. Join me as I take on the challenge of creating a wedding dance mashup that'll have everyone on the floor like a pro DJ. I'm Aaron, and today we're crafting a structured wedding dance mashup that takes the energy from elegant to all-out party mode following these 4 easy steps. So the bride requested a 5-song mix for key moments during the wedding entrance. The bridesmaids are going to enter into Sabrina Carpenter's Espresso. Following that, the groom and the groomsmen make a powerful entrance to Phil Collins and In the Air Tonight. It's at that point that the bride and groom join the dance floor with Justin Bieber's Sorry. The full wedding party turns it up with Bruno Mars' 24K Magic, and the entire family joins for an 80s classic, Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up. So we'll make this mix seamless with DJ.Studio's AI-powered transitions. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is drag and drop your songs into DJ.Studio. Under my downloads folder, I got the 5 tracks. Simply drag and drop your songs into the software and it's automatically going to detect everything from BPM to key. And you'll see here under the Studio tab, the best mix points, saving you hours of work. Listen to this. Now watch and listen right here. Swap out the bass. Here come the drums. It didn't require much, simply moving the transition window to the right time if it hasn't done so already. Going down to the transition effects, you'll find that I used the 50% crossfade and a bass swap, much like if I was on a DJ mixer. The same way I would move my hands with the bass drop, and you can see the crossfade. This is a lock. I'm keeping this transition, and this way things won't get nudged out of place if I'm moving around. This is our first step. I got 3 more to share. With this next transition, I really want to mash up these 2 songs together. I want to take the beginning of Justin Bieber and drop him over Phil Collins. Listen to the sound of this. They sound so good together, oh my gosh. Okay, so that drop came in a little abrupt, so I think I'm gonna take a riser and give it just a little bit more oomph on the way out. Cool. Now I can fiddle with this all I want, but I want to move on to step number 3. You can see how much fun we can have with these transitions below. Now it's here that Justin is playing for the first dance, but I want to take Bruno and slowly introduce the party into the mix. Here we go. Let's hear how this sounds. Okay, let's add a down sweep. Okay. Not bad. One quick thing I'll do is an effect out because you hear Justin here with his last 2 words. Let's kill that. Put a reverb right about here. Yeah. We got one more transition to share with you, and I saved the best for last. Let's go under stems and show you this additional add-on you can get with DJ.Studio where you can mute out the drums, the bass, the melody, the vocals. I really wanted to show you what I could do with Rick Astley and Bruno Mars. Check this out. Let's take out the vocals. Let's take out Rick's drums. And that's when the party explodes and everybody's on the dance floor. Now, there's a bonus step I got to add here, and that is the export feature. I want to get this to your Serato, your virtual DJ, whatever you use at your wedding. And for the highest quality, you can do FLAC, WAV, or MP3. Before you know it, this will be in your downloads folder, which you can share with your bride and groom, ready for the big night. So if you follow all or some of the steps in this video, we're sure you're going to be able to pull off some awesome wedding dance mashups like this. What songs would you mix for a wedding? Drop those ideas in the comments. Also, make sure to check out some of the videos on the screen right now. Seabrind and the whole team have put together some amazing step-by-step tutorials on how to make mashups even cooler than I could even do it. And if you want to receive more useful tips and workflows for wedding and mobile DJs, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.